Select early bird 36.90. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll. We're going 7 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Brownies up top. Ravens at the bottom. Seven times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Omar up top. Josh Stant at the bottom. Let's sort them out. They all sorted. There's your squads. Here we go, gentlemen. Good luck. Select 2022 early bird. Here we go, here we go. Good luck, good luck. Let me grab some card sleeves. You guys take your spots in the optic bird. That break is halfway full. An optic bird on the move as well. A little downtown chase on a Friday night in that optic bird. Here we go, select. Good luck, good luck. Pack 1. Kyron Williams, Justin Fields, Fieldsy, Darius Slayton on the silver, and Mark Andrews. Let's sweat the thick packs. Drake Jackson. Roquan Smith. Snapshots, A.J. Brown, Romeo Dobbs on the silver, and Joe Mixon. Tyreek, Joe Burrow, DeAndre Hopkins, Sensations. Brock Purdy on the silver for the Niners, and a Cordero Patterson. Nice Purdy silver there for the Niners. Going to Grant Whitley. Sorry about that, John. They flew on the site. I'm just now seeing your comment. They flew on the site. Rondale Moore and Jamal Williams. Laviska Saquon, Trayvon Walker. 16 out of 75 for the Jags. On to Craig Nixon. There you go, Craig. Martin Emerson on the silver. This dude is a beast. And Abraham Lucas. Martin Emerson is a monster. Deron Bland, Mac Jones, Treylon Burks, Neon Icons, Talua, and Marcus. Tyrion Davis-Price, T-Law, David Montgomery. Blue field level for the Bears. Mac on the silver and Dawson Knox. Nice Montgomery for the Bears. That is 11 out of 49. Garrett Wilson, we got RPA. Chris Olave, 140 out of 199 New Orleans Saints. And Tom Hall. There you go, Tom. Nice Olave dropping. Olave's already started out hot this year. Nice Olave RPA to 199. Hunter Renfrow for the Raiders. Sauce Gardner on the Rook. Alec Pierce to 49. Brian Burns. Olave silver, Nick Bolton. Said insult to injury, John. Oh, I see what you're saying. Because Tom had the last. I get what you're saying. J.C. Horn for the Panthers. Tricolor. Silver Dak. Tom Brady. J.C. Horn to 149. It should still have one more auto coming. I think we got an extra RPA. We got Desmond Ritter. Kirby Joseph. Nope, not an RPA. Patch auto, though. So we got Kirby Joseph to 149. Patch auto for the Raiders. Daniel Carlson. Little kicker jersey auto for the Raiders. Raiders, Nate Smith. There you go, Nate. Daniel Carlson to 199. 71 out of 199. Tua on the base. Last pack, guys. Good luck. We got Wandale, Russell Wilson, James Conner on the field level. Skylar Thompson, silver, CJ Mosley. And we'll do a quick recap here. Got James Conner, Daniel Carlson, Kirby Joseph, J.C. Horn, Alec Pierce, Chris Olave, David Montgomery, Trayvon Walker, and Brock Purdy on the silver. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Sweet Kirby Joseph. And I got to go grab some paper from the other room, guys.